Hey, Lynette here, and this is the Fabfitfun Fall Box Spoilers. These are definitely hot off the press. These are the first choices that you get for the first options. Don't worry, there's more to come for sure. Definitely like and subscribe if you love spoilers like I do. And as always, we will put the link in the description box below, plus a $10 off Fabfitfun coupon code and a description of all the products that are going to be featured in the fall box. So let's get into the spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you guys think of those first spoilers from the fall box? Definitely I'm excited about them myself. Definitely comment below to see what was your favorite item that's going to be featured soon. And again, if you love spoilers like I do, definitely make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next Fabfitfun spoiler. Have a good day guys.